Let's take a look at what makes this like-new end-unit townhome so special. Welcome to 7126 Fernvale Springs Way. We are in Fairview, Tennessee, located in the highly sought-after Williamson County community. Check out this open floor plan with 3/4 inch oak hardwood flooring, beautiful baseboards, no carpet here. The primary suite, it's a true retreat. The bathroom features a beautiful tiled shower with bench, double sinks, and a huge linen closet. This home offers rare, private outdoor space, including a fenced deck, perfect for relaxing and enjoying peaceful surroundings. The large utility room, complete with a sliding barn door, has room for a freezer, washer, dryer, and even has separate pantry storage. You'll love the abundance of closet space throughout this home. This location is unbeatable, a country setting yet close to downtown Nashville. Are you ready to see more? Call your Nashville Realtor today.